sick of something.
I'm sick of it, and you've seen it in the title. What does it read? It says to replace the word thing.
Thing, yes, thing.
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 Welcome to this episode. My name is Arya and this is Shape Your English, where you're going to be upgrading your English to the next level. So are you guys ready for this episode? The thing. It's time to get rid of it. Get rid of it and replace it with a couple words I will be sharing with you in this episode. Let's go. So guys, the first word we're going to be replacing thing with is concept. This concept. Yes. So the next time you're talking to someone or you want to get a message across, say, so Fred, basically the concept is that I'm trying to get the people involved in this project. Don't say, hey Fred, you know the thing I'm going to get people involved thing? No. So Fred, the concept of the plan, I have ruled one, that is absolutely right. So Fred, remember the thing that I told you about last week? You see, it just messes up the whole conversation and your whole speech. It just throws you all off. It's very unprofessional, all right? Yes, that's the popularity of the word concept. And that's why people use it, because it's popular, and that's why you should too. Let's go into the quiz. All right. So, fill in the appropriate form of the word to fill in the blank. I can't quite grasp this. You're explaining, so which one is it? Well done, it is concept. We are going to be using concept and not the word thing. Another one. There's this thing about the water pipes where we have to do something about it. No. The issue. Yes. Like for example, you're in your office and you need help from your boss. You go up to him or her and you say, regarding the thing you talked about yesterday, regarding the issue we talked about yesterday. You see how much you just leveled up yourself? Yes, this is the popularity of the word. Very old, but still very useful. Use it well. All right, quiz part 2. Let's see what you do. All right. Choose the answer which closely represents the phrase above. The company faced a major what due to the faulty product? Yeah. Well done. Nice. So, issue is a subject or problem that people are thinking and talking about. This is the definition of it. So, well done, yeah. I bet you didn't know in our I bet you didn't know segment of this episode. Did you know what I servant means? I servant. I servant refers to someone who only works when they're being watched. So have you ever been to the gym in the house and you can't study unless there are people around watching you? I servant. Our third and last point. Let's make it count, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. To replace thing, you're going to be saying notion. The notion of.
The notion of?
The thing of.
Which one sounds better, huh?
Well, duh.
So, for example, you're giving a presentation and you want to talk about people that are working 9-to-5 jobs. So, I say in my presentation, the notion that we as humans must go to school and work a 9-to-5 job seems ridiculous. Alright, did you get that? Now, imagine I say this. The thing that us people have to work a 9-to-5 job and go study and do this just throws out the whole presentation. The notion of. The notion of. Oh, my favorite. It's so good. And Yeah, you can use it very well in many situations. Anyways, let's get into the quiz. What is the origin of the word notion? Is it Greek, Latin, German, or French? This is a history lesson. I love it. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Latin it is. It is Latin. Did you know that? So why is that? Let's go on to the next page. Whew. The word notion originated from the Latin word notio, which means idea or concept. It entered the English language in the 1600s, borrowed from the French and Latin. Noise. Welcome to the conclusion, guys. I shared 3 words with you: concept, notion, and issue, to replace thing with. I mentioned 3 things, okay? Now make the conscious decision to use these in your day-to-day lives. Make the conscious decision. When you're talking to someone, have these words in your mind and just be conscious how you talk to people. Know what words are coming out of your mouth. What I've noticed is that people are not aware of what they're saying. They just talk. It's subconscious. They're just talking. But you gotta be conscious. Know what's coming out of your mouth. Know that what's coming out of your mouth, suddenly that you can replace it with another word to give you a boost in that conversation and to sound smarter, to be a different person. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that episode. Concept, issue, and notion. Use these wisely because it'll be useful for you. Alright guys, it's on to our special part where you guys will be partaking. Bam! And bam! 2 movies, guys. Choose. Which one is your favorite? Choose it wisely and make the conscious decision. And once you've made that decision, make the comment down below. Because once you've chosen your movie and I see the poll ratings, I'm going to be making a movie about either one onto the next episode. So tell me which one is your favorite movie and let's get on to it. Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.